How to make a fake scar in less than 2 minutes. Let's go. This product by Mehron is called Rigid Collodion. It's a liquid you put on your skin if you want to make an easy fake scar. Alright, to make this, we're going to take some red from this bruise wheel and paint where you want the scar to go. This will add a more fleshy look to the scar. Once that is finished, add a light layer of the Rigid Collodion scarring liquid over the paint. Rigid Collodion does have a bit of a smell to it, so beware. You can find the products I used listed down below. To make this fake scar look deeper, or if you want to continue extending your fake scar, lay down more Rigid Collodion onto your skin. If you want, you can add some foundation to the edges or paint some scratches to go along with your scar. When you got the look that you like, then you have finished making your fake scar. Let me know your thoughts down below, and I'll see you in the next video.